Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make custom board on chase.com. First of all, open the chase.com application. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll play to this kind of interface. In order to make the custom board, you'll have to go to the settings interface. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you can see the option for theme. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can select the theme for board, pieces, background, etc. and make the custom board according to your choice. You can see various board options over here. You can simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also go to the option for background. After you do that, you'll be able to select the background over here. You can also add your own background by tapping on this icon that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to select the background from your device. You can simply tap on the background of your choice. Once you select the background, that particular background will be applied to the board. Likewise, you can also select your pieces. Tap on the field of pieces. After that, you can select the pieces according to your choice. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular pieces will be selected. Likewise, you can also customize the sounds. Tap on the option for sounds. Now you can see various options for sounds over here. If you tap on the field, you'll be able to select the activities over here. For example, you can tap on the option move. Now you can see various sounds that you can select for move. Simply tap on the sound of your choice. Once you do that, that particular sound will be applied. After you do all that, you can simply go back in order to save the changes. Now you can see over here your board has been customized according to your choice. Like this, you can make custom board. So that is how you make custom board on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.